Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to connect earphone to our vivo phone. Guys, you want to connect this earphone to your vivo phone, so guys you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect it to our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you how can you connect. So first of all guys, click on your phone setting to connect this earphone. Then guys, scroll and guys you can see your Bluetooth and device setting. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on Bluetooth, on your Bluetooth from here. Guys, click on new device and guys on your earphones to press this second button. So you can see this light. So guys, earphone will on and guys refresh. So as you can see guys, this earphone name. So guys, click on your earphone name, then guys it will connect in your vivo phone after 3 to 4 seconds. So as you can see guys, we have connected this earphone to our vivo phone, and guys we can use it while watching movies, listening song, whatever you want. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphone to our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.